Why are triglycerides most affected by food before a lipid test? Imagine your blood as a busy highway, with different types of fats traveling along it. Triglycerides are like the quick-moving delivery trucks that respond instantly to what you eat. When you consume foods high in fats or sugars, your body quickly processes these nutrients. It converts excess calories into triglycerides, which then enter your bloodstream to be stored as fat. This process causes triglyceride levels to spike soon after eating, sometimes lasting several hours. In contrast, other cholesterol components like low-density lipoprotein and high-density lipoprotein stay relatively steady regardless of recent meals. They don't fluctuate as rapidly because they are more involved in long-term transport and storage of fats. Triglycerides, however, are directly linked to your recent food intake. When you eat, especially foods rich in fats or sugars, your intestine breaks down these nutrients into tiny particles called chylomicrons. These particles carry triglycerides absorbed from your food into your blood. This causes a temporary increase in triglyceride levels, which can be quite significant right after a meal. Because of this quick response, doctors recommend fasting before a lipid test. Fasting means no food or drinks except water for about 9 to 12 hours before the test. This fasting period allows triglyceride levels to drop back to a baseline, giving a clearer picture of your usual blood fat levels. If you eat before the test, your triglycerides might be artificially high, making it look like you have higher risk than you actually do. This is especially important for people with conditions like obesity or diabetes, where triglyceride levels tend to be higher naturally. Recent research shows that for some people with normal triglyceride levels, fasting might not be strictly necessary. Non-fasting tests can still give useful information about cardiovascular risk. But for those with known high triglycerides or risk factors for hyperlipidemia, fasting remains the best way to get an accurate measurement. So, triglycerides are most affected by food because they reflected the body's immediate response to dietary fats and calories. Fasting helps to clear this temporary spike, allowing health professionals to see the true baseline of your blood fats. This understanding helps guide treatment and management of conditions related to high cholesterol and triglycerides.